Welcome back to Bangin Tasty, everyone. Today we have a great dish you can serve with really anything. We're going to show you how to make truffled mashed potatoes.
If you want to learn more about this truffled mashed potatoes recipe and read it step by step, be sure to click the link in the description box below.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Bangin Tasty videos like this one. For these potatoes, you'll need to have a large pot, a cutting board, a strainer, a potato masher, and a knife. To make these delicious potatoes, you'll need to have out 4 pounds of potatoes, 4 tablespoons of truffle butter, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 head of garlic, 4 tablespoons of regular butter, 1 cup of water, and salt and pepper. Prepare the recipe by cutting the potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Then cut the head of garlic and pick out 2 cloves. Salt a pot of about 2.5 quarts of water. Place the pieces of potato in a large pot. Set the burner to high heat and then add the 2 cloves of garlic. Then cover the potatoes. Once they begin boiling, take the lid off and boil for about 15 to 18 minutes. When you can pierce them with a fork is when they're done. After the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the heat and then drain. Make sure the heat is off and then begin to mash the potatoes until they're a smooth consistency. Stir in the sour cream, truffle butter, and 4 tablespoons of plain butter to taste. Stir in a cup of water a little bit at a time until the potatoes have a creamy consistency. Season the potatoes with salt and pepper. Keep the potatoes in a covered pot until ready to serve. This recipe is so easy, you'll probably wonder why you haven't done potatoes like this before. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this recipe, click the like button down below. Comment how you like to change up your potato recipe. Make sure you subscribe for more Bangin Tasty recipes and see you next time!